Hi everyone! Welcome to our video. We are students of Information Technology Program at Universitas Asia Yogyakarta. I'm Lira Zulaika Azahra and my nickname is Lira.
Hello, I'm Atia Gisa Firganita and you can call me Atia.
Hello, my full name is Fuad Atif Hermawan and you can call me Fuad. In this video, we will give you some tip and trick for use type question.
And today we will analyze the listening, structure and reading part of the use type.
Now, let's look at some sample questions. On the recording, you hear
Male. The dinner special is roast turkey with mashed potatoes and gravy, and apple pie for dessert.
Woman. That doesn't sound good to me.
Narrator. What does the woman mean? A. She doesn't like roast turkey. B. She thinks the dinner sounds special. C. She's particularly enthusiastic about the roast turkey. D. She'd prefer a different dinner.
D is the correct answer. C prefer a different dinner. The strategies to answer. In this question, you should not be confused by words that sound similar. For example, the word special in choice B sounds like the word special in the first line, but the meaning is not the same as what the woman wants. First, focus on the second line. The most important part in a short dialogue is what the second person say. In this case, the woman say, "That doesn't sound good to me." Next, identify the negative expression. The sentence shows that the woman does not like or does not want the food menu mentioned by the man. So, find the best assessment. Look for an answer that has the same meaning but use different words. Choice D is the best because she prefers different dinners mean the same thing as that doesn't sound good.
Now let's move to the second part, which is the structure question. The Rose Bowl blah 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 plays on New Year's Day. Is the oldest postseason college football game in the United States. What is the answer? A. Takes. B. It takes. C. Which takes. And D. Took. The correct answer is C. Which takes. To answer this question, first we need to check whether the sentence already has a main subject and a main verb. In these tenses, the subject is the Rose Bowl and the main verb is. So actually, the sentence is already complete. The blank only need extra information about the Rose Bowl because the extra information is placed between commands. We need a relative clause. That's why the correct answer is C, which takes. Now, let's look at the other option. Option A is incorrect because takes cannot stand alone here. It needs a character, so the sentence becomes incomplete. Option B is also incorrect because the sentence already have a subject, which is the Rose Bowl. Adding it creates a double subject. And option D is incorrect because took is in the past tense, while this sentence talk about a general fact, so we should use the present tense. Here are some tips for answering structure question like this. First, check whether the sentence already has a complete subject and verb. Second, if you see commands in the sentence, the answer is often a relative clause such as which, who, or that. And third, avoid answers with double subjects like it or they if the sentence already has a subject.
Here is the last question on reading. So, this is question based on short essays about carbon tetrachloride.
The main point of this passage is that A.
Carbon tetrachloride can be very dangerous when it is heated. B. The government banned carbon tetrachloride in 1970. C. Although carbon tetrachloride can legally be used in industry, it is not allowed in home products. D. Carbon tetrachloride used to be a regular part of cleaning compounds.
The right answer is clearly is C. To find the answer, you don't need to read the whole text. Just focus on the first sentence of a paragraph. As you can see on the screen, paragraph 1 says it is widely used in industry today. Paragraph 2 says it has been banned for home use. First, find the main idea. Always read the first line of each paragraph. Second, eliminate options that are too specific. Combine these two sentences and you get option C. Legally used in industry but not allowed in home product. Easy, right? Yes. Option A, B, and D may be true based on the text, but they are just small detail, not the main idea.
To sum up, we have learned about listening, structure, and reading section, and answer the questions step by step.
So yeah, we hope this can help you answer the USTEP question more confidently. Thanks for watching.
Bye!